One of the most annoying things I find on this platform is how I have to reach for the volume button in videos which have very sudden volume changes that are not there on purpose. What I'm talking about is, for example, if you're watching a YouTube video like this, somebody's talking and they just start screaming all of a sudden, and then they just go very quiet and you can't hear them, so you turn them up, you turn the volume button up, and then they start screaming again, so you need to turn it down, and then they start talking really quiet again, and then you need to turn it up. No end. Yeah, let's put an end to that today. I'm going to show you one simple trick which is going to take your videos to the next level. And there's no click the link at the end of my video to take you to some website or any of that garbage. It's all just here for you. I'm going to show you this today on Adobe Premiere Pro, but this is very transferable across many software. It's literally just a limiter tool. I'm sure software like DaVinci Resolve, which is completely free, have it installed, which do the same thing. Here we are instead of Premiere Pro. I've just dragged this example audio file in. I'm going to expand it just to show you what the wave does. This is what it sounds like. Hey guys, welcome back to this new video. I just want to show you how this cool effect works. It's amazing. And I'm going to be talking really quietly now because this is awesome. And yes! Yeah, that's exactly what I'm talking about. This is really quiet, but you've got no idea what's happening, but you've already turned it down. Sorry, you've already turned it down, then you've got no idea what's happening. You've turned it up, and then this loud bit comes up again. Yeah, let's fix that right now. So all you want to do is come up here to these panels, click on the audio tab right here, and here we are. This is the audio editing bit. All you need to remember now is the track that you want to edit. So this is track, audio track 1, audio 1 here as well. So there's this one here, remember that. Then you click the little arrow, show hide effects and sends. This will open this thing. Keep in mind it's still this first one here, if that's what you're working on. It would be second, third, and then so on. Here you have all these buttons. Click on slot 1 effects, go to amplitude and compression, and put in a hard limiter. Now that you've got the hard limiter on, it will appear here. Double click, and here you have it. All you need to worry about here now is the input boost. So by default it's at 0 dB. I would recommend you change it anywhere from 10, 20 to 30 max. 20 is probably the go-to stage. I'm going to put it at 20 just to show you what it does. So just to compare, I'm going to drag this onto a different track down here, play it one more time, and then I will drag it back up here to show you the difference. Hey guys, welcome back to this new video. I just want to show you how this cool effect. So this is the original. Now we add the effect on. Hey guys, welcome back to this new video. I just want to show you how this cool effect works. It's amazing. And I'm going to be talking really quiet. So even though, you can already see, even though it's a really dull, quiet clip recorded, the things are just level and they also sound a lot more powerful. That's the power of compression. Obviously, you can go back in here and tweak this. You can put it to 30 if you want. Maybe that would be better for this one. I just want to show you how this cool effect works. It's amazing. And I'm going to be talking really quiet. Yeah, that's way better for these quiet versions. So what you can do then after that is you can take this maximum amplitude, turn it down, let's say to -5, so it's a little bit quieter. Show you how this cool effect works. It's amazing. And I'm going to be talking. And this just completely eradicates the having to go and turn down and turn up the audio. It's simple. It's amazing. If you know anybody that makes videos and struggles with this issue, please send this video to them so they can help them out too. Let's make YouTube video quality amazing in 2021. Drop a like on this video and comment below if this has helped you, and I hope to see you back here soon. Bye.